Hey guys, how's it going? Randall here, and today we're answering a common question on tire and wheel options. What are the options that we have, and what are the benefits of upgrading? Choosing your tire and wheel combination depends on how frequent you're going to pull your trailer and how heavy you're going to load your trailer. We have our 16 ply, our 14 ply, and our 10 ply tire. If you're primarily a weekend warrior using your trailer here and there for small jobs and around the farm, the 10 ply is sufficient for you. The 10 ply tire is the industry standard and it carries a rating that is sufficient for what your trailer is intended to haul. An in-between user may consider a 14 ply upgrade for a more durable built tire than the 10 ply, but not as much of an overkill as your 16 ply. While still mounted on the same 16-inch tire, it offers an all-steel 14 ply construction. Up from there, if you're really going to be putting on the miles and packing on a lot of heavy weight, the 16 ply is going to be the one to go with. We got it sitting on a heavy-duty 17.5-inch tire made for all the heavy hauls. To learn more about our wheels and our radial tire combinations, check out our article, Tires and Wheels, in our Learning Center. And like always, if you like the content that we're providing, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one. If you're primarily a weekend warrior, just using your trailer here and there, small jobs and around the farm, the farm. If you're primarily a farm user, a weekend farmer, stop laughing, man.